Welcome. Today, we will master database design by exploring two unique structures: weak entities, which rely on other entities to exist, and self-referencing relationships, where an entity relates directly to itself. Consider a building and its rooms. A room cannot exist in our database without its parent building. In design, building is the strong entity, while room is the weak entity. Notice the double outline on room and its identifying relationship, contains. Since a room cannot be uniquely identified by its number alone, it relies on the building ID to establish its full database identity. This dependency is the core characteristic of all weak entities. To uniquely identify a specific room, we must combine the parent building's ID with the room number. This forms a composite primary key. As our table shows, room 101 in building A is structurally distinct from room 101 in building B. The weak entity relies entirely on this joint identity to exist. Without both parts of this composite key, we cannot target a single physical room in our data. Finally, let's explore self-referencing relationships, where an entity relates directly to itself. Think of a standard corporate org chart. Alice, Bob, David, and Charlie are all entries in a single employee table. Alice manages Bob and David, and Bob manages Charlie. Instead of creating redundant tables, the employee table references itself recursively. Each employee row holds a supervisor ID that points back to another employee's primary key ID. This elegant recursive approach is the standard way databases represent complex nested hierarchies.